Exercise 15. It's a system of equations. So we have two equations, 3x plus 2y equals 28 and 4x minus y equals 25. And we are told that if x comma y is the solution to this system, what would the value of 50x plus 30y be? So basically, I just need to find the solution of this system. This will give me the values of x and y respectively, and then I will plug them in this expression of 50x plus 30y. And finally, we need to round our answer to the closest integer. Okay. Bottom line, it's a system of equations. And in order to solve it, we will go to Desmos. In Desmos, we don't have to rearrange anything. We simply plug in the two equations exactly the way they were given. So I applied 3x plus 2y equals 28 on one line, and then on the second line below, 4x minus y equals to 25. Solution is the point of intersection. We have it here, it's the 7.09091, so it's gonna be 7.1, let's keep it 7.09 and 3.36, and now I need to do the operation 50 times x, which is 7.09091, plus 30 times 3.36364, which is 455.4. So all this is 455.4, and the closest integer to that is the integer 455, which is exactly the answer we were looking for.